How to enable notifications on Ring app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable notifications on Ring app. So let us get started. So the first thing you will need to do is make sure that you have the Ring app and you are just logged in, or if you have not created an account, simply create an account. After you've done everything and you want to enable notification on Ring app, simply head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down till you find an option called notifications. Head over to notifications, and after you're on notifications, scroll down till you find the app section. Now all of the apps are arranged in alphabetical orders, so simply search for the letter R and you should be able to find the Ring app easily. Now after you find the Ring app, open it up and you should see allow notification button. Now simply toggle that button, and after you've turned that on, you will have allowed or enabled notification on Ring app. Now as you can see right here, you can set your notifications however you want. If you want it on your lock screen, make sure that it's ticked in. Notification center, banners, if you want all of that. If you want sounds, make sure that you customize it, or you can leave it at default too. So that is basically how you can enable notifications on Ring app. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.